Namaste, my name is Naveen Bale, and it is my pleasure to welcome you to Garden World, a leading landscape architecture firm in Bangalore, India. We've been in this business for over 40 years and are very excited to work with you to develop and maintain more beautiful landscapes. What do? Well, we do it all. Landscape design, development, conception, surveys. Look, our core background is in landscape design, but with our nursery in Rajahmundry, it has enabled us to serve large institutional and industrial clients across India, including many residential communities which you may be familiar with, including Epsilon, Harley Zenith, and Palm Meadows. Today, I will be specifically talking about landscape maintenance for residential communities. Here's the thing. It's one thing to make a beautiful landscape canvas with unique species of plants, ambitious lawns, shrubs, and trees. But as you may already know, it takes a whole different skill set to really maintain and preserve the canvas to prevent it from disintegrating. How do you really preserve the charm that your landscape once had? Our team of landscape specialists are experts in identifying how to build and maintain beautiful landscapes through cost-efficient techniques. We love plants and understand what it really takes to nourish and upkeep landscapes of all types to maintain the original spark that your landscape once had. More so, we know how to grow your landscape and support its evolution over time. Our goal here is to create resident-focused ecosystems that are safe, beautiful, and peaceful for families to live in. The teams we will have working on your landscapes will be trained professionals that follow well-defined standard operating procedures for everything they do. The gardener's work will be supervised by specialist consultants who will make periodic visits based on the community size and project type for weekly agendas. They will conduct surveys and ensure the progress of work and provide guidance to the staff to ensure they meet the goals and expectations. To top it off, it is impossible to have a resident-focused ecosystem while dumping chemicals on the lawn. Our pesticides and fertilizers are sourced from a network of gaushalas in and around Bangalore to ensure organic garden procedures. We also conduct community education series where we teach children about the gardens they live in, from the name of the plants, propagation techniques, and maintenance procedures. Again, it's not really only about cutting shrubs and mowing the lawn. Our goal is to enhance the quality of life for your residents and improve the standards of your community. We follow all state and local guidelines for gardener compensation and ensure your fees reach the employees with a small overhead on top of it. All mechanical tools, hose pipes, and equipment for garden maintenance will be built on an on-hire basis, and additional landscape development projects will also be billed separately. So, how do you get started? What are the next steps that you have to take to elevate your residential landscape? Well, we provide a free site visit where we will have a thorough survey of your landscape and provide a free quotation from our part. All you have to do is visit the links on the screen and you will be directed to where you have to go. So overall, you may be wondering, what is our pricing really like? Is this reaching out really worth it for you? Here's what I'll tell you. Number one, we'll lower your costs. Number two, we'll give you a better landscape. Number three, you'll have the strength and support of a leading landscape architecture firm to care for your gardens. So what are you waiting for? Let's make your community a garden wonderland.